We made it! 10,000 subscribers thanks to you! Actually, we're 12,000 now and we are so thankful. So to celebrate, we decided to create our own squishy play button. We use flexfoam-it. This is what it looks like. I'll have a link in the description to this product. I'm not showing today how it was made, but if you would like to learn, please leave a comment requesting it. Here's our squishy play button right after it was made. I took some acrylic fabric paint and painted it all over. Nice bright red. It will take several layers and you have to make sure it dries out in between. This was a lot of fun to make. And finally, what's a celebration without some cake? So we made a cupcake using a silicone cupcake mold. It was so cool. It's super nice and easy. So let's bake the cupcake now. I used a white paint to make the frosting, or so I thought. It turns out this is a glitter paint that dries clear, so I had to improvise at the end with a real white paint. Can't forget the sprinkles! And there you have it. Let it dry for a couple days before you can play with it. Here's our very own squishy play button. And a cupcake to celebrate. Thanks to all of you for watching MyTubePM. Please make sure you share. And if you're not subscribed, do it now. Our next celebration will be 100,000. If you're a new viewer, now is the time for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification. And if you're already a subscriber, thanks for coming back. Make sure your notifications are on and see you next time.